Today we're making a tagine with butterball turkey meatballs and apricots. A tagine means two things, both this beautiful traditional Moroccan cooking vessel and also a stew. So to get started, we're going to heat some olive oil in a sautoir or a large pot. I'm using fully cooked turkey meatballs. It's going to brown up quite quickly, and then when it's simmering in the sauce, it's going to take on the nice flavor of those rich, warm spices. Now that they're browned on all sides, I'm going to set them aside and remove them from the pan. So once I've removed those meatballs, I'm going to add into the pan the onions, garlic, fennel, celery. When the vegetables are translucent, I'm going to add the spices: cumin, paprika, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and salt, and stir to combine. The warm spices are really going to enhance those meatballs. I'm going to add some frozen apricots. It could be apricot puree or it could be peaches. I have preserved lemon. This is very traditional for Moroccan cuisine. And some harissa. And then I'm going to add my turkey stock. Stir that together. While tagine can really be made in any season and is traditionally served in Morocco year-round, this is a beautiful dish for the fall. Look at these gorgeous colors. We've got some baby carrots in gold and orange. We've got some nice red miniature bell peppers, and of course the nice golden brown meatballs, some red onion, and some dried apricots. Now you can make it as spicy as you like, and we'll taste and add a little more harissa towards the end if necessary. But for now, we're just going to add our carrots. We're going to allow this dish to simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes, just to cook those carrots about halfway through. Now I'm adding these browned turkey meatballs. We'll go ahead and add those peppers. They're so thin, they won't take long. Okay, so we're there. Look at this. It looks so gorgeous. Look at those bright colors and glossy meatballs. It just looks delicious. So I'm going to add a little bit of red onion, beautiful dried Turkish apricots. So I've got some mint and dill and parsley, and I'm just going to stir that in. And I absolutely love the colors of this dish. So we'll just squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice on at the end, and we are ready to serve. So I'm going to serve this delicious turkey meatball tagine with some steamed couscous, garnished with some fresh herbs. Your guests are going to love this tagine. Turkey meatballs, sweet apricots, and warm spices. It's craveably delicious.